Morning, guys. We're here, day 2. Shannon Cannon didn't make it, but Darren, PJ, and Peyton are in. They have another 12 games to bowl, so they're going to bowl 12 more games. They're going to cut to the top 12 after that, bowl another 3 games, cut to the top 6 after that, bowl another 2 games, and then we'll have a winner. So they're going to bowl 17 games total. Darren's sitting pretty good. He's at plus 171. Peyton and PJ, a little bit lower. They're in the top 12 at the moment, -4. Peyton's got -4, PJ's got -6. They're going to need a little bit of help to kind of catch up. Fresh was kind of tough, so we'll see if PJ and Peyton can catch up and make this an interesting day.
We're not bowling on the same pattern as A squad yesterday. Let me tell you that. 2 shots that I threw, dead right, thought had no chance of hitting the head pin, or 10 back.
PJ, how they playing today versus yesterday?
Well, they feel about the same. They feel pretty flat in the middle. There's some hang to the right. Scores aren't super high.
Doesn't seem like it.
There's some guys that are, bowling pretty well, but there's also some guys that are not. And kind of in the mode of playing a little defense, but potentially thinking about more offense, if you know what I mean. So 2 games left. We'll see. But if I need to make a big move with reactive, because I'm still throwing urethane, then I've got one idea. Hopefully that idea works.
Let's climb that ladder, man. Darren switched the altered from urethane. He's getting kind of trapped at the moment in between zones. He says they feel kind of flat. Can't really move in because he doesn't feel like he has hold, and then if he gets it right, the carry is just kind of awkward. So we'll see what he does here.
Every single pair I bowled on was like bowling in a different bowling alley today. I couldn't get 9, which tells me I was doing the wrong thing. Hooking it looked terrible. My assessment is I probably should have thrown urethane the whole time. No clue what we're gonna do these next 3 games. We have to figure something out though, because our lead is now down to like 5.
Darren's lead has decreased dramatically. He's only ahead by like 5 right now. Jake Peters jumped quite a bit, had some really good games. Peyton was in 3rd going into the 4th game, but he dropped that last game, shot 170, I think, and PJ did the same thing, shot 170, and I don't think he's going to make cuts, so. Cut to the top 12, they got some more games to bowl, let's see how they do. Game 2 update. Jake shot 250 last game, put him 30 pins ahead of Darren. Darren shot like 210 or something like that. Now they're bowling the next game. Darren goes front 6, 7-1 opens. Jake has 111 in the 6th frame, so might get a lead change here again, who knows, but it's definitely going to be close. Last 2 games, guys. Darren's ahead by 3 pins. We'll see what happens. 234 to 236. Darren is up by 1 pin going into the last game. So it's basically a title match between Jake and Darren. Who you got? You got our boy? We got it.
Here, Darren.
I got Darren too.
Darren defending.
Well, congrats to Jake. He bowled really good today. Really disappointed in myself. I didn't do the things I needed to do. Mentally, I was really bad. I thought about a lot of things I shouldn't have. I'm very disappointed in myself because I don't think personally that should have been close at all. I let it get close, and I'm just disappointed in where bowling is right now. That's all I gotta say. But back-to-back second places. Couldn't defend the title this year here, so that's a first and a second. I like bowling here. It's great. Shout out to Sam and the staff here at Jack and Jill. They actually run things very, very smooth. They're great hosts, and I can't wait to come back. That's it for this one, guys. See you in the next one.